Okay, I've been getting quite a few questions about the alarm system I put in my car that has a passive keyless entry. You don't have to use keys, as well as the push to start button on how it all operates. So I figured I'd try and do a short video and answer some of the questions. One of the main ones people keep asking is, do you need the key in the ignition? Well, I've left it in the ignition, which is absolutely unhooked now. As you can see, it does nothing. But that just gives me the ability to turn it back to the off position if I ever need, and to lock the steering wheel so it can't be turned. So I just leave it in the on position all the time. Second off, people have asked, how do you turn it to accessory or the on position? Well, basically, if you want the accessory position, you just tap the start button once, and that turns the accessory on so you can use the radio or whatever. Push it a second time, and you can hear the fuel pump priming there, and the gauges come on. Just the car, you just push your foot on the brake pedal and tap the start button, and the car will start right up. Another question people have asked is, what about accidentally hitting this button while you're driving down the road? Well, as you can see, it does nothing if you push it or hold it or anything. You physically have to press the brake pedal, then tap the button, and the car will shut off. The best part about the whole system is that I got them out now, but I keep my keys in my pocket at all times and never have to use them for the car. As I walk away from the car, get about 15 feet away, the doors will automatically lock. And in reverse, when I'm away from the car and I get about 15 feet away from the car when I'm walking to it, they unlock automatically. So you physically need no keys at any time. Lastly, here in the window, there is a keypad from the outside that will actually work through the glass. So if you physically lost your keys, left them somewhere and didn't know where they were, you could walk up to that keypad, type a code, it'll unlock the door as well as authorize you to start the vehicle by pushing the button. So that's kind of a backup system. And very, very last is there's a button here on the back to open this remote control up. And you can actually stick a door key inside the key fob. So if you ever want a physical key to be able to open the door of the car, you can do so. Hopefully that answered some of the questions.